Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REDMI Turbo 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. Make sure that you've got this one set, and then tap on this arrow in the upper panel. So here we've got additional options, and the timer is right here, so this crossed out icon. Let's tap on it. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. It is immediately highlighted. What is more, after getting back to the camera, you can see this let's say icon, which shows us that we've got the timer, so we can quickly check it without the need to enter the options. So now simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can change the timer just by entering the settings again, and you can quickly turn it off just by tapping on this icon. As you can see, it is immediately crossed out, so now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.